Yo boys and girls, Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Meizu 18. Unlike other packages we normally see on the market, Meizu 18 adopts this kind of bench-type chopper design. Especially looks like Chinese ancient torture instrument. But I like it. It looks oddly interesting. Inside the upper cover, we get to see the Type-C cable, some paperwork. That's it. Yes, no charger. The Meizu 18 is portable, comfortable, and uses a small and beautiful design. It weighs only 162 grams and has an excellent hand feel, perfect for single-hand use. The Meizu 18 comes with a 6.23-inch dynamic AMOLED center punch hole display with a quad-curved screen design. This device supports a 3200 by 1440 resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and 240Hz touch sampling rate. Currently, from our test, it doesn't support 2K and 120Hz at the same time, but we just heard that it will be available through the OTA system upgrading later, which is good news. One thing I really like about the Meizu 18 is, unlike other phone series, the cheaper one always has a watered-down chipset or specs. It comes with the top-notch and latest flagship Snapdragon 888 processor, also supports LPDDR5 RAM, UFS 3.1 storage, 36W fast charging, and Wi-Fi 6E. Furthermore, it supports NFC, dual speakers, horizontal linear motor, M-Engine 4.0 tactile engine, and back 2.0, you name it. The other thing I really want to talk about is the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, which works even underwater just like we showed in the beginning of this video. We actually did a bunch more experiments with the optical in-display fingerprint scanner. The ultrasonic one is just way faster, stable, and more user-friendly in each scenario. You can even use it for your heart rate monitoring, and from our test, it's accurate. The last thing is the camera. The handset comes with a triple camera setup on the back that comprises a 64-megapixel main shooter with a Sony IMX682 lens, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto camera. It's enough to handle daily use. Here are some photos we've taken. Check out. So that's the video. What do you think about it? Do you prefer small screen phones? From my opinion, the Meizu 18 is the Meizu phone for those who want a powerful and feature-rich phone, but with a size that doesn't make the palms and fingers ache. It works exceptionally well, but it's not for everyone. At least the daunting $680 starting price. If you want a good budget phone, the Redmi K40 series is worth considering, which I have done a review before. Make sure to check out. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sammy, and I will see you in the next one.